In this lesson, you will learn how Python makes decisions using if, elif, and else, the building blocks of control flow. Python executes your code from top to bottom, but if, elif, and else let you choose which lines actually run depending on the situation. Only one branch ever executes. Think of it like a fork in the road. Python reads each sign, if, then elif, then else, and the moment it finds one that matches, it takes that path and ignores the rest. We start by storing the number 7 in a variable called n. This is the value all three conditions will test. Python reaches the if and asks, is n greater than 10? 7 is not, so this block is skipped entirely and Python moves on. Next, elif asks, is n greater than 4? 7 is greater than 4, so Python runs the indented block and prints medium. The else block is never even looked at. The else block has no condition of its own. It is a safety net that catches every case not covered above. Here, it is skipped, because elif already matched. The program prints medium and nothing else. The if condition was false, the elif condition was true, so Python ran that one block and stopped. The single most common beginner mistake is forgetting to indent. Every line inside an if, elif, or else block must be indented by the same amount, usually 4 spaces. Remember, if, elif, and else let your program choose a path. Indentation defines each block, and only the first matching branch ever runs.